Okay, in this video right here, I'm in the woofing area of the Shiba swap. I'm going to claim the rewards of Bone with the pairing of Leash and Bone. And if I go to the ape board finance, I'm averaging around 7 bones per day. 70 bones per day. 70 bones per day according to this estimation. So I'm collecting bone. I'm getting ready to see how the fees are when I do this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now I'm going to Woof 191, and it's going to be equivalent to 63 bone I will receive because it's only 33% that I get a chance to enjoy right now. So let me go ahead and pull up the Coinbase wallet. And the miner fees is $4.58. And if I go slower, let's see what the fees are. I'm going to try to slower speed and see what happens when I try to slower speed. $3.92. Let's see if I have any issues with that. So I'm trying to slower speed, and let's see if we have any issues, because I've been hearing sometimes you get failed transactions sometimes, but I've had some good, I've actually had some good things with it when going slower. Now it's slower in terms of the processing, so you do have to wait a little bit longer. But if I'm going to save a little more money, I'd rather just see if this is going to work out. So you have to see if it's going to work out for you, not financial advice. I'm just testing to see if this works out in terms of getting a low fee rate. Now with the 63 bone, what I'm going to do with that? Well, I plan to bury that bone from this pairing here. And if I go back here, I'm averaging, at least according to 8board.finance, I'm averaging about 70 bones per day. And this 495 bones in 7 days with the current percentages here. This is the current percentages, and these percentages can change. Now, it's still pending, and this is something you got to think about, because normally, with the normal rate, this thing would be already done. The cake would be already done in the oven, but then you have to wait a little bit longer, and that's okay. So, what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and get everything ready, because I plan to bury the bone. Now, right now, I have 384.490 buried bone. Now, when this transaction completes, you're going to see your token being filled out. You're going to see that being filled out, and you're going to see the value there as well. Now, one thing I want to let you know is I've noticed the bone APR and the bone APY has been changing throughout this week, and that's probably normal with everything changing in price. And look at Leash. Leash is $14.07, and Bone is $2.57 in the recording of this video. So I wanted to use this slow rate here. It is much slower, so you may want to go ahead and have a cup of coffee, may take a walk, maybe go ahead and heck, just leave the room for a minute, because it is much slower. Just to let you know, I wanted to try this out because it's slower. Let me go back to the estimation while we're waiting here. Look at these numbers here with the current AP, the current percentages. The APY, 365 days with the return on investment, that's insane percentages, and that's the same amount of bone. Not really looking at that. I'm not sure if that's going to really stick, but I do like the 30-day with the $5,868 in the value of the 2,125 bones. So let me go ahead and check this transaction, and it finally went through. So let me go to the view of Explore, the green success that I always say. Look for the green success. And so I'm proving that the slow rate does work. Now look at here, we've got 63, just like we talked about. 63, we will have about 63 bones that we can do. Now we already used the $3.92 in terms of the fees. We took the slow rate. I'm gonna 100% bury this. 100% bury this, and say 25%, 50%, 75%. Okay, it's not let me. Oh, let me go back out and go back in. Go back in. It's not letting me bury all of it. That's interesting. Let me see here. I'm gonna go to stake and go to stake because it's 75. It's only letting me do 47 of this. Oh, you know, it's not letting me bury everything. That's very interesting. But let me see if I can. You know what I'm gonna do? The 100% seems like it's not loading up. But I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna copy this. Let me see if this works. I haven't tried this before. Boom. 100%. Because the 100% wasn't working there. You see that wasn't working there. But I want to stake all of it. Stake all of it. Look at that fees. $1.50. I love it. I love it. Let me see what the slow rate is. Don't worry about the slow rate. That was a while. And it took about 12 minutes, didn't it? Didn't it take a while for that? So let's confirm that. The rates are really, really low. I like that. Only $3.92 and $1.50. I love that. These rates are great. If these gas fees can stay this way, I love it. So that's the transaction that you saw there, that I was in the wolfing area and I had a pairing of bone and leash, just like this pairing right here. No, but yeah, right here. And I took that out. And I am looking to bury that. So let me go back and check on the that pairing and see how fast that accumulation will start to happen. And remember, I took it out of this and it's already started up again. It's already started up again. Remember, this was basically 0 and it's already 0.16658. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. I automatically took out the bones out of this in terms of claiming the rewards. So I took those out and then I'm actually went over here. Now, one thing I thought about doing is going over here and looking at another pairing. And let me see here. This is not opening up. Sometimes the Shibaswap, you got to go back in and go back out. Because I noticed that sometimes it doesn't all load up at the same time. It's a little bit of a delay. Like right now, it's a little bit of delay. I don't know if it's the volume or the people. There's a lot of people on the system. But it seemed like sometimes the delay just got to just be patient. Be patient. Okay, so I thought about taking this out here. But I'm going to wait till I get a little bit more bone on here if I can take that out. I'm probably going to look to do this tomorrow, to take this out to see what this looks like. And if I go here, I'm still waiting on this, by the way, depending. If I go to the bone and Ethereum pairing, the estimation is only 3.492 per bone. Okay, it's not as much, but I like the 7-day, 24 bones, but it's nothing like the least one. This one's the winner right there. Oh my goodness. But the bone and the Ethereum is right here. This is the one. Oh, I looked at the wrong one. I apologize. I looked at the wrong one. Bone and Ethereum. This is the one I should be looking at. So, no, I've been looking at the same one. I'm getting it all confused. So, you only get about 3 a day. So, it's still pending here. I wonder if I should just go ahead and just take this out too. Go ahead. I may just take this out. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Because it's not that much of an estimation difference. And the fees have been really, really low. $4.69. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Pretty good. So we got that going. 2 transactions are pending at the same time. And we go check on the pending transactions. We've got this one and this one there. So we'll just go ahead and wait. And I'm using the Coinbase wallet, matter of fact. I'm just basically claiming my rewards, woofing my rewards or claim my rewards. And what I'm doing with them, I'm taking the bone. So I'm getting the bone because I have been using this pairing option. And what I'm doing is I'm going to the bury area and I'm basically staking them. I'm burying them. I'm burying the bone, burying the bone, burying the bone. But the pending transactions are taking a little bit of some time, even with the normal rate. And it could be the time. So kind of got to just, just relax a little bit. But basically what I'm going to do when that comes in there, I'm just going to stake all the rewards. And that's what I'm going to do at this video right here. So My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna wait a few minutes, and all I'm gonna do is just bury that last transaction. Remember, it's only 33% of 52, so it's gonna be this. So I'm gonna get about 17 of that 52 that I went ahead and claimed, and all I'm gonna do is put it right in here, and then go ahead. There'll be some fees involved, but it should be pretty low at this time right now. My name is Adam Shelton. Once again, thank you for like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the links below to go ahead and take advantage of some of those options in there, and I'll see you on the next video.